How to redeem a Grabfood voucher from Globe Rewards. Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to redeem a Grabfood voucher from Globe Rewards. To redeem your Grabfood voucher, start by logging into the Grabfood app on your mobile device and tapping on your account from the bottom right corner of the screen. From there, select the rewards option to view the vouchers available to you. Choose the voucher you wish to use and then close the app. Next, open your web browser and search for Globe Rewards. Navigate to the globe.com website and download the app. Once downloaded, click on the Rewards tab and select the offer you want to redeem. Click on the Redeem option and wait for the confirmation notification with the unique code to arrive via a text message from 4438. Close the browser and return to the Grabfood app. Select the item you want to purchase. Choose the variation and add it to your basket. During checkout, tap on the Use Offer button and enter the code from your Globe Rewards voucher or redeem card to receive your discount. That's it. You've successfully redeemed your Grabfood voucher from Globe Rewards. If you found this video helpful, you can thank me with a like and subscribe to the channel.